following on from the video I did a few days ago, here's a silly little tune. Can you tell what it is? But I bet you can't play it first time. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we start 3rd finger, 3rd fret, thinnest string, which is string number 1. And then a 0, and then back to the 3. Back to the 0, and then next string, which is the 2nd string, and we go 3, 1. And then we got this little triangle here, so the same notes, but also we use the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Sounds like this. After that, we lay our 3rd finger down to get back to the 1st string, and then just with the plectrum alone, hit the 3rd string open. Okay, here it is slow. Tell me if you know what it is, and tell me if you played it first time without any mistakes. I bet you didn't.